Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a fantastic car for you, one of my favorites. I'm excited to do the video. I bought this out of Southern California from a man, and this was his pride and joy. I'm telling you, this is one of those cars where they went the extra and it's dialed in. So much great stuff to tell you about it. If you go to volocars.com, that's where I will list all the specs and information, and you'll see about 100 pictures of this car. You'll get the price. But not only this car, we have a few hundred collector cars for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see them as they come out. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this 55 Ford Fairlane Victoria. I feel like I was studying for a major exam right before this video. There is so much to tell you about this car. I will list all the specs in my description on the website, but it's very neatly itemized here, all the receipts, there's pictures of the restoration, manuals. It's all right here to document it. This will go with the car. But I drove this car. I've been driving a car home every day just to get the feel for it, see if it needs anything. I drove it home and I told my wife, let's go for a ride. She really wasn't in the mood for going out in an old car. I talked her into it. About 15, 20 minutes into the test drive, she was saying, let's buy this one for ourselves. It's that good of a car. It's got a fantastic clean body. I was going to start talking about the motor, but let's talk about the outside first. I love these wheels. I call them the spider web wheels like an old Ford had. But they're artillery wheels. They're chrome plated, has the baby moon centers, rides on radial whitewall tires. The body is absolutely gorgeous and straight. It's laser straight. All the panels fit square, flush, and smooth. There's no bubbles, no cracking, no issues. It's just polished, beautiful paint on an absolutely clean body. He says every piece of exterior trim and chrome was replaced, and it certainly looks that way. I mean, everything. There's a fortune in chrome. This is all new. The lenses, the eyebrows, everything's new. Nice custom 50s style pinstriping. He has LED lights and the marker lights and running lights and tail lights. All of this is new. Look at this. Emblems, everything. You know what else is all new? All of the glass is all new. It's got the light factory tint. Every rubber gasket and weather strip is new. So you know this is adding up. Someone spent a lot of money here. Nice tinted window, new gasket, all new trim. And the trim is all polished. All beautiful here. The underneath the car is also impressive. Look at our pictures of the front suspension. It looks like a model car that someone just built. The suspension was all sandblasted, painted, all the nuts and bolts and hardware's new, the rubber bushings. So the front end's completely rebuilt, detailed and fresh. The rear suspension's rebuilt. New leaf springs, new bushings, new air shocks. When you look at the bottom of the motor, it's spotless. The transmission is a brand new world-class 5-speed transmission. So it's got new clutch, new Hurst linkage, custom-made drive shaft, looks like an aluminum drive shaft, going back to a completely rebuilt rear end with 389 gears in it. The brake system's completely new. The parking brake cables are all hooked up. Fuel system's all new. The tank, the straps that hold it in place, the sending unit, the lines, all of that is new. The motor, it's a 312 Thunderbird motor. It was professionally rebuilt with the mild performance. It's got an Isky cam, aluminum intake with a Street Demon 4-barrel carb, electric choke, Petronics flamethrower ignition system. It's got a set of Reds headers. They're shiny. They must be ceramic coated. topped off with some thin valve covers, K&N air cleaner, and it's all tidy and neat. The wiring is all beautiful. Inside the car, just as nice. The seats feel good. All new upholstery, matches the exterior. It's got seat belts front and back. Door panels are all done. He said he had the whole dash rebuilt. So not just painted, but all the instruments were completely redone. The clock works. All of that was redone. Wait till you hear how it sounds. The trunk is boxed and upholstered. Tire cover, it's got the trophies that come with it. Underneath here is painted, it's got new rubber. Look at that steering wheel. Nice custom steering wheel on a polished tilt column. I love the wheel. Neatly installed a tachometer and some extra gauges down below the dash. Headliner is new. Dome light works. Visors are redone. It's got a stereo in the glove box. Sounds really good. He's got a subwoofer hidden somewhere in here. He left one of his 50s CDs in there. When I was cruising with this car with the sound of the mufflers, the 50s music playing, I'm not even from the 50s, but I felt like I was there. Back to the motor compartment. All the wiring is redone. All new wiring system. It's upgraded to a 12-volt system. It's got a high output alternator, a nice polished aluminum radiator with an electric fan. It's upgraded with a Borgensen power steering system. Even the battery, the cables are run neatly. The battery's bolted down the way it should. So the car functions as good as it looks. I'm going to fire it up for you. You know what else surprised me? We were just cruising. It's such a comfortable, smooth, one hand on the wheel, 2 fingers on the shifter. Just felt nice. We were just cruising around, really relaxed, enjoying it. I was at a red light, it turned green. I thought, well, I'm going to see what it's got. This thing took off. The exhaust was just ripping. It was just fun. My wife and my daughter were like, holy cow. It's so easy to drive. You click it in that 5th gear, any gear actually, it just cruised so nice. It never felt like it was going to die or stall. I felt completely comfortable in this car. This is show quality. This is beautiful under here. Fits real nice. There's no chips on the edges. Everything's lined up nice. The paint is gorgeous. Great colors too. Over the years, I've literally driven thousands of collector cars. This one here is exceptional. It's one of the better cars. I promise whoever buys this is going to be very happy with the car. There's a lot of specs and information. I probably left stuff off. I will get it posted on our website. You can read all that. Also on our website, plenty of ways to contact our staff. Whatever questions or concerns you have about the car, the whole process, the delivery, the financing, we can help with all of that. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.